Hello guys, kembali lagi dengan aku Irfan. So kali ni aku akan sambung main Call of Duty Mobile. So disebabkan video sebelumnya aku main dekat Battle Royale. So kali ni aku akan cuba main dekat multiplayer pula. So macam mana, mood apa yang aku akan main, kita akan saksikan sebentar lagi. Let's go. Okay guys, disebabkan aku just tekan je multiplayer tu tadi, aku dapat hard point. So aku tak rasa ni map aku pernah main. Mungkin sebab event. Sebab nampak lain gila. Benda merah-merah ni. Ni lah. Okey lah, pakai je lah. Dah pakai isi okey. Apa mama ni? Apa muncul depan aku ni? Aduh. Banyak sangat benda jadi. Go Shocker, go. Tu dia. Tu dia. Kena kau. Kena lagi. Wih, depan belakang. Go.
Friendly Shock RC is coming. Hostiles have the hard point. Hunter killer drone deployed. Hard point identified. Capture the objective.
Campak dulu.
Hard point is ours.
Sana. Ya Allah. Dia makin halang
Friendly Shock RC is ready.
Oh, aku ada cannon. Go, anjing. Lagi.
Friendly Shock RC is coming. Friendly Hunter killer
Tu dia.
drone deployed.
Dia ada tembak. Ada tembak. Mana tau?
Hard point
Yalah.
contested. Hard point lost.
Mungkin ni.
Hard point locked down. Hard point contested.
Ya, yelah kena tembak balik.
Is ready.
Aku pakai ni. Mati korang. Kena. Tak apa, seorang berdapat. Jadi atas orang.
Friendly Shock RC is coming. Hard point is ours. You've taken the lead. Hard point identified. Capture the
Tak nampak enemy. Baru dia main kat sini. Ini kadang-kadang dia mesti depan belakang. Mana datang kat situ?
hard point locked down.
Kita leading guys. Kita leading.
Friendly Hunter killer drone deployed.
Ya tak kena.
Counter UAV is up. Good work.
Dendam. Aku dendam.
We've
Go.
taken the lead. Friendly Shock RC is coming. Predator missile on standby.
Mantap.
Deployed.
Nice anjing. Pekerjaan. Aduh sikit.
Capture the objective.
Kena.
Contested. Hard point contested. Gunship standing by. Gunship standing by. Hard point contested. Hard point contested.
Dah, aku belum kena tempat. Menyorok.
Hostiles
Nak pakai mendalah ni.
captured the hard point.
Tu dia. Let's go.
The air.
Kena kau.
Contested.
Ini yang sedap
Hard point is ours.
Mana kau orang tak boleh buat apa-apa kat sini.
Hard point contested. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point locked down. Hard point contested.
Aku ni kat atas ni aku jaga hardpoint tu.
Counter UAV is up. Good work. Hard point contested. Hard point contested.
Mati. Mati.
Ejected. Predator missile inbound. Hard point
Dapat dulu aku rasa.
is ours.
Dah menang.
Friendly Shock RC is coming.
Alright, second game. Petrol. Dia sama je macam hardpoint, cuma aku tak tahu lah apa yang dia tambah kat sini. Atau dia sama je. Okay, aku pakai ni lah, ICR.
The moving zone.
Oh, tak ada scope.
A new
Move.
control zone is available.
Apa lagi? Let's go. Agak laju
The patrol zone is up for grabs.
Mencuba kau. Sana.
The patrol zone is ours. The patrol zone has been taken. The patrol zone has been secured.
Oh, dia bergerak. Mendalam bergerak rupanya. Oh, faham.
UAV recon standing by. Repeat.
UAV, buka UAV.
Recon is standing by.
Dia boleh nampak enemy kat mana.
We've taken the lead.
Dapat kau.
Down. Reloading. Cover me.
Dia tak nampak aku. Yelah. Memang tak nampak aku ya.
Cover me.
Kat sini. Aku tak boleh pakai squad track. Okay. Korang pergi.
Hostiles have taken the patrol.
Deploy. Let's go.
Deployed. Stealth chopper on standby. The patrol zone is ours. We've taken the lead.
Aduh.
The patrol zone has been taken.
Tak apa, aku ada ni. Aku letak sini.
Stealth chopper inbound.
Aduh, boy hidup.
Hostiles have taken the patrol zone.
Enemy down.
Kena kau. Kena lagi.
Recon ready for deployment.
Dapat kau.
Changing mag.
Patrol zone has been secured. Friendly flame not activated. UAV online.
Let's go.
Patrol zone is ours.
Kena kau.
Standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by.
Tak ada orang jaga belakang aku ke? Ada aku jaga belakang ni.
We've taken the lead. The friendly flame knot has been destroyed.
Okay, aku macam aku je lah kena jaga ni. Aku tak tahulah. Tim aku tengah sibuk perang, aku tengah sibuk menjaga tempat ni. Dia bergerak tu yang buat masalah sikit tu. Ada tembak di belakang.
Napalm is ready.
Tu dia.
Stealth chopper awaiting orders.
Ikut.
Napalm deployed.
Napalm keluar. Helikopter sampai sini.
Friendly stealth
Go helikopter.
down.
Oh, menang dah. Well. Game pertama tak jadi ni MVP, game kedua kita MVP bos. Kita belanja sikit. Itu dah. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay guys, itu saja untuk hari ini. Jumpa korang di next video. Ciao.